Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about data analytics app that I built using LangGraph. So back then, we used to take data and build EDA manually. We don't have any tools, and later we do have tools. We did had tools and all, but it was completely manual thing that we need to feed a lot of information to the tool or to the code and do this, do that, compare this with that, and a lot of rules that we need to make. But today we have AI, and it is a few lines of code, not even code. We can just write a prompt for it, and it can just do an entire analysis for us. So in this application, you can compare your competitors, you can analyze your own company or anything it may be. Use case is this, and you can modify based on your idea. So here I just give a company, and it understands how it is going, and competitors, what can be achieved and what all can be improved. So those insights it will give, and this I orchestrated using LangGraph. So let's get started with. So I'm just going to ask about Puma. So once it's done, it starts the web. So the ultimate goal is we need to do all together in 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, we need to get all the information in our hand. So that is the main goal of this application. Instead of like spending hours and hours for this entire insight building, we can just do this using few lines of prompts. And finally, we will get a report. So we get an analysis, a market sentiment analysis, and 5-year growth trajectory. And you will have a relative competitive strength. I mean, it compares with the other its own competitors, which is Antaspors, Adidas, New Balance, Puma. I mean, the same thing. And Under Armour. So what you see is the best performer comparative with Puma. So Puma is with the entire history, like brief insights on how it is doing, what can be improved compared with its growth, a few market peers. So it is like giving like entire insight. Just imagine if we are doing this, with hand. It's a like information which is available online, and we are feeding. One more thing is you can feed your own information to it and ask it to perform with that. And this is quick on comparatively with anything that we are currently doing. I use a LangGraph for it in order to have this entire orchestration. And yeah, so I hope this thing, a project idea which would be useful for anybody who's like thriving into data analytics or into practice phase. So I can use this application for. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye.